Boerboel naturally, I think I would classify them as moderate in terms of temperament, but that doesn't mean that all are within that range. Some could be slightly below, some slightly above. So for a first-time Boerboel owner, I would advise you look for one with a balanced temperament. The energy level is always high, and to some persons like my client, I advise if you are the first-time owner, get a Boerboel at the puppy state and play with it, bond with the dog very well. And a Boerboel is a heavy eater. That's another thing I think I skipped. If you are not ready to invest in the upkeep of the dog, the feeding of the dog, it may not be a very good one because you're not going to see the beauty. All the muzzles, the tone, the curves, and everything, they come out when it is placed on the right ration of feeding. So they feed well. I wouldn't like to say they feed a lot. They feed well in accordance with its nature. So if you're the first time owner, dedicate a lot of time for socialization. Dedicate a lot of time for observing the dog to ensure that the temperament fits into what you want. And you need personally to be a lover of exercise. It pays. It balances off if you dedicate time for your personal exercise and you weave that in with the dog's own exercise. And create a very good feeding pattern for the dog. They like a lot of proteins. You know, although the dogs, we know them to be facultatively carnivorous, so they need a lot of protein, animal protein. They do well with them. So as a first-time owner, create time for the Boerboel. Integrate the Boerboel into your social time and your social activities. Have a very good feeding pattern, and your hygiene is also very important. If you do that, you are going to have a dog that enjoys you, and you enjoy the dog too.
Okay, thank you.